Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is truly the best Christmas nativity set Holy Family Figurines Manger Décor on the market. The Zuluf hand-carved olive wood Holy Family Nativity statue, standing at 5.3 inches tall and radiating pure craftsmanship and spiritual beauty. As soon as you lay eyes on this piece, you'll notice the natural warmth of the olive wood. It's not just any wood. This statue is hand-carved in Bethlehem, yes, the very birthplace of Jesus, using olive trees that have been part of the Holy Land for centuries. Every figure in this set, from Mary and Joseph to the baby Jesus, is shaped by Christian artisans using traditional tools passed down through generations. What makes the Zuluf nativity statue so unique isn't just its origins, though that alone sets it apart. It's the artistry in every curve, every expression, and the flowing lines that suggest gentle movement. The entire piece is carved from a single block of wood. The grain of the olive wood adds character to each statue. No two are alike, which means what you get is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Whether you place it on a mantel, a church display, or a quiet prayer corner in your home, it brings a serene, spiritual presence to the space. This is not a mass-produced plastic mold. It's faith carved into wood. That's what Zuluf represents, a tradition rooted in Bethlehem, kept alive by Christian families who've been creating devotional art for generations. Buying this isn't just purchasing a decoration, it's supporting artisans preserving Christian heritage under difficult circumstances. Now, the size 5.3 inches may seem modest at first glance, but its presence is powerful. It's compact enough for tabletop or shelf decor, yet detailed enough to draw attention and admiration. You don't need a sprawling nativity scene to make a statement. Sometimes, simplicity speaks louder, and this statue speaks volumes about reverence, tradition, and love. This also makes a beautiful gift. Whether it's for a housewarming, a baptism, or just a Christmas present that reflects deeper meaning, the Zuluf nativity statue carries more than aesthetic value, it carries a blessing. Giving this statue is like handing someone a piece of the Holy Land, lovingly shaped by hands of faith. And while other nativity sets might chip, fade, or wear with time, olive wood matures beautifully. The longer you keep it, the deeper its tones become, a rich, honeyed finish that deepens with the years. It's not just decor, it's a future heirloom. In a world where most Christmas decorations are mass-manufactured and made to be replaced, the Zuluf hand-carved nativity statue offers something timeless, a touch of sacred craftsmanship in your home during the holiest time of the year. If you're looking to bring authenticity, reverence, and handmade beauty to your Christmas decor, this is the piece to choose. Thoughtfully made, spiritually rich, and artistically crafted, the Zuluf Holy Family Nativity statue is more than worthy of the title, the best Christmas nativity set. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're seeking meaningful holiday decor or a gift that speaks from the heart, look no further than this stunning piece from Zuluf. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.